and welcome to CEC Speaking Test. How are you today?
I'm okay.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Phương. I'm in class B2 in CEC. In this year, I am 10 years old.
Brilliant job. So, Phương, are you ready for the test today?
Yes.
We'll start with the first part. We've got two similar pictures. In these pictures, we have to identify at least 6 differences. So, let us start. Look at the pictures and find the differences.
In my picture, the woman in the orange costume is hanging a scissors. But in your pictures, she is hanging a comb. In my picture, a girl is taller than a boy. But in your picture, a girl is shorter than a boy. In my picture, the man is wearing a shirt with red stripes. But in your picture, he's wearing a shirt with blue stripes. In my picture, the man is pointing at the sun. But in your picture, the man is pointing at the cloud. In my picture, the woman in the blue shirt is listening to the phone. But in your picture, she is typing the keyboard. In my picture, the man with red hairs is hanging a bowl of fruits. But in your picture, he is hanging a bowl of a cup. In my picture, on the table has a cake. But in your picture, it has magazines. In my picture, the box is full of books. But the box isn't have any books. But in your picture, the box is full of books. In my picture, there's a toy train. But in your picture, there isn't any toy train.
Brilliant job, Phương. The last question is, what are they doing?
They are taking a photo.
They are taking a photo or broadcasting a weather for... This is a weather forecast broadcast. Thank you. Alright, so now it's time for us to move to the next part. In this part, we're gonna have to answer questions about people. So we're gonna answer what do they like. Each person here, we've got their names. They have their favorite restaurants. So in the first picture, I want you to describe what does he like, the name of the restaurant, where does he go, at what time he goes to that restaurant, and is it cheap or expensive? Let's go with Robert's.
The Robert's favorite restaurant named the Black Cat. He likes to eat in this restaurant is pasta. The restaurant is on North Street. It's open in 12 o'clock and it is expensive.
Brilliant. Now let's move to Sarah's favorite restaurant.
Sarah's favorite restaurant is Rainbows. She likes eating pizza in her restaurant. The restaurant is on Hill Street. It opens in half past 12, and the restaurant food are cheap.
Brilliant. Now let's get started and find the differences between these two people and their restaurants. For example, let's see if it's expensive or cheap. What's the difference between Sarah's favorite restaurant and Robert's favorite restaurant?
Sarah's favorite restaurant is cheaper than Robert's.
Very good. And what time does Sarah goes to, or what time does the restaurant opens here?
open at 12:30.
What about Robert's favorite restaurant?
The restaurant opens in 12 o'clock.
Awesome. And the last question, where is Sarah's favorite restaurant?
It's on the Hill Street.
What about Robert's?
It's on North Street.
That is brilliant. Great job, Phương. And now it's time for us for the storyline. Now we're gonna look at these pictures. I will give you 30 seconds. Look at the pictures. From picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to understand the sequences between these pictures, and then you will start telling the story. You have 30 seconds.
I finished.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, now let's start with the first one.
The brave teacher. In the classroom, the children are studying math, but Nick and Anna is looking out of the window. The teacher is annoying. She asks them, "Why aren't you doing your homework? Your work?" They say, "See, teacher, there's a cat on the tree." The teacher said, "Oh, I understand. Now I will go out for rescue the cat." The class is so surprised. The teacher climbed into the tree and rescued the cat. She took the cat down and go back to the class. "Yay!" shouted the student. "You're the brave teacher."
And that is the end of the last part. Now we're gonna move to the last part 4, which is the questions. Let me ask you a few questions. What is your hobby?
My hobby, I think, is sleeping.
Alright, why do you like sleeping?
Because when I sleep, I will forget everything that it's make me sad.
Alright, what kind of activities do you usually have at school?
I usually studying math or PE, and sometimes I play with my friends in the break time.
And what is your favorite school subject?
My favorite school subject is math.
What is your dream in the future?
I have many dreams.
What do you want to be?
I don't know too, because every job I want.
Alright, thank you so much, Phương. That is the end of our test. It's time for us to say goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Great job.